Hey everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to show you a simple way to create large art statement pieces. I've been looking for a long time to find something that I can create for wall decor that isn't cheesy, is easy to make, doesn't take very long, and is stunningly beautiful. And I'm thrilled that how this turned out. So mine was less than $10 to make. It is 2 feet by 3 feet. It's huge. And it looks really good. And now I'm starting to give them away as gifts. So I hope you'll stay until the end of the video. I'd like to give you something to think about this week. So let's get started on our project. One piece of artwork, cardboard, double sticky tape, 2 1x2s, 8 feet long. They're big. Wood glue, Well, thank you for staying until the end of the video. I have something that I'd like to share with you, something for you to think about this week. I'd like to read in Isaiah 43:18 and 19. Do not remember the former things, nor consider the things of old. Behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall you not know it? I will even make a road in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. Well, here the Lord is encouraging his people not to dwell on the past and to believe that he has amazing things in store for them, that he's doing a new thing and he will keep his promises, that even in the wasteland and even in the valley and even in the desert, that he will make a way for them. Our God has good things, good plans for us, and he keeps his promises and always makes a way for his people. So no matter what you're going through today, you may be going through your own wasteland or your own desert or your own valley. It may be difficult to not dwell on the past. And I would just say, be encouraged and reminded that the Lord has new things in store for you and that he will make a way for you. All you have to do is ask him. So thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you and your family in love. Bye.